You're watching How Leap. Let's change the video frame size on your iPhone. Open the camera app and swipe to video mode. At the top of the screen, you will see the frame size and frame rate like HD 30 or 4K 24. Tap this indicator to open the settings. A menu will appear with options such as 720p at 30 Fs, 1080p HD at 30 or 60 Fs, or 4K at 24, 30, or 60 Fs. Select your preferred resolution and frame rate by tapping it. A higher number like 4000 gives a larger frame size and better quality but uses more storage. A lower number like 720p saves space. The change takes effect immediately. You can also change these settings before recording in the main iPhone settings app. Go to Settings, scroll down to Camera, then tap Record Video. Here you can select your default resolution and frame rate. You can also enable or disable HDR video and auto FPS for low light in this menu. The settings in the camera app override the defaults only for your current session. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.